Hi, my name is Kate George and I chose Pro Dental because I had seen some really good reviews on social media and I decided to go and give it a try. I went to the Harley Street surgery and also the Spanish Place surgery, and they've both been fantastic, so very pleased. I was really self-conscious about my smile. I had a gap where I'd had a lower molar removed, and also I felt like my smile wasn't wide enough. I wasn't really 100% happy with my teeth before. I had bonding and I also opted for an implant. My experience during all the treatments that I've had at Pro Dental have been really positive. All the staff are fantastic, they put you at ease. I felt completely and utterly that I was in professional, safe hands, and yeah, it was painless, completely pain-free, and quite an enjoyable experience. I'm over the moon with my smile. I've had bonded teeth and I feel absolutely so positive and so confident with how my teeth look now. So I can't thank Pro Dental enough. You've been absolutely fantastic and would recommend to anyone. Pro Dental is definitely the way forward. Would totally recommend Pro Dental. They have just been fabulous. I can't fault them, and I can't thank them enough. They are an incredible team that work at the Harley Street surgery and at Spanish Place. They're also friendly, put your mind at ease, and just so professional. I would highly recommend. Just 10 out of 10.